Hey guys, welcome to Ultra's Toolbox. So today we are working on a Toro mower. And the problems are the pull cord doesn't work and it won't start. So let's get started. Hey guys, we're back. So we got the Toro mower. So I can tell you guys ahead, this has worked before, and it was really good. So I'm gonna grab the tools and let's get started. Alright, and let me show you guys this. There we go. So this is the tank. There's nothing in it. There's these little clamps right here. Gotta pull on so they can separate it. Yeah. And then there's bolts for it. Alright, well, I'm gonna get back to going to this. Alright, now let's just have to get this one bolt loose for this to come out. So, let's try this. Alright, I don't really have any prying tools, so I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna work. Well, you guys can watch me struggle while I'm doing this. Put you guys back in a time lapse. Alright. So I got it out. So let's figure out why it's not pulling back how it's supposed to. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down real quick. That ain't good. That ain't good at all. Alright. I should have remembered. Well, I'll get to you guys back when I got this situated, alright? Alright, after 30 minutes of struggling, I got it kind of unseized. I got this out, the pull cord, and yeah, so did my best, got it, most of it out. So seized around. As part of, yeah, you guys probably see that. Kind of works, but kind of doesn't. So this up here, over here, the top of it. So I'm gonna grab some. Oh wow! When I was pulling that, I actually felt the felt water come out of it. That is not good. So I know you shouldn't do this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some grease, but not the grease you would think. But so kind of like a synthetic grease. I don't even know how to say it. Just smear around there. Try to shove that in there. Let's see. Try to get greasy as possible. Alright, let's see. Is it gonna go all the way out and go back in? Almost. There we go. Just the rope. Alright, let me get my hands cleaned off and we'll put this back together and then we'll get it started. Let's see. Alright. What's on there? It's actually since I'm in here, this buildup on the sides all just old gunky oil. So I'm gonna go clean this off, and I'll be back. And I'm gonna have it I'll put myself in time lapse, and you can see when I'm putting it back together. All right. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is instead of trying to torture myself putting this one tiny little bolt on, it's blocked, it's kind of in the way that I can't really do anything. So I'm going to take this off, and then I'll put it back on after that. And come on. And should make it a lot easier instead of trying to struggle putting one tiny bolt in. It's kind of mattered mostly kind of mattered because this one tiny bolt starts this whole entire thing up. You guys understand what I mean by that. Alright, I'll put you guys back in time lapse. After a few minutes of struggling, got this thing finally back on, and put the tank back on. Hopefully this thing will want to go back on. There we go. Connect. That's connected. Alright. And now grab the bolts. Let's set this thing back up. almost done. There we go. And now I go find the, grab the can, gas. Oh, it's right here actually. Well, not too smart right there. Right. Just put this on there. I know there's old oil in there. I'll put new ones in the next video or so. Don't exactly know when. That's a little. I'm not gonna put too much gas in there. At least we know the bulb works. That's important. Now let's take this thing outside and let's try fire it up. Hopefully it works. All right, we have it out. Let's see if we can get it started. Bulb right here. All right, and hey, at least we know now it does work. We got it fixed. It's just because of the pull cord. So, all right, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. And we'll work on another project. All right. See you guys.